front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Additional Settings. Now, to access keyboard settings, begin by tapping on Languages and Import. Then select Manage Keyboards. And finally, Gboard. Tap on it on the left. Finally, click on Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or switch it on. Quick tip, you can always click on autocorrection on the left, and this way get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. You can switch it on or turn it off the same way as autocorrection. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!